to hear you clapping. So put your hands together in the air. Come on guys, clap your hands. They would really love to hear you clapping. Come on everybody, make it louder. Come on guys, keep on clapping. Wow, what an entrance! How about a big round of applause for our fine and furry friends? Okay, so now guys, let me share with you how we train their animals here in the park. Training describes the many ways to look after their physical and mental well-being. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So, whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward. We do not punish, force, or hurt our animals. And in this way, we build a relationship based on trust. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our feathered friend named Timmy. Hello there, Timmy. So by the way, Timmy is our African gray parrot, and they originated from West and Central Africa. And guys, don't you know that Timmy loves to play basketball? Now Timmy, show them what you've got. So he takes the ball, now walking on the table, and he's now climbing through the ladder. Come on, Timmy, shoot that ball. What a nice dunk there, Timmy. Watching you makes us sweat. And also, one thing we observe about Timmy was that every time he sees a peso on the ground, he picks it up and tries to save it by putting it in his coin bag. I think Timmy is trying to save this money for his enrichment. Now everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money instead of asking our parents to buy for us. Isn't it amazing how we can buy the things that we really want out of our extra money? Okay, so how about a big round of applause for Timmy? Thank you so much, Timmy. Okay, so now guys, do you want more? Okay, and since you want more, please welcome our umbrella cockatoo named Coco. Hello there, Coco. Okay, so by the way guys, Coco is our environmentalist. So here, we have two trash bins, the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable bin. Now, let's see some demonstration. So Coco will pick the paper and put it in the biodegradable bin. How about the second one? And for the last paper, Coco. Alright, now time to close the bin. Come on, don't forget. There you go. So by the way, those materials are decomposable. How about for the plastic cup, Coco? For the second one. And for the last plastic cup. Good job. Now time to close the bin. There you have it. Okay, so by the way, those materials are recyclable and cannot be decomposed. Now everybody think about this. If animals can, why can't we? So let's now start segregating. Okay, so how about a big round of applause for Coco? Alright, and now for the second part, we are now on the Animal Encounter Show, where you will meet some of our wonderful animal friends up close and personal, as we tell you more information about them and their unique personalities. And during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audience to join me here on stage. All you have to do is to raise your hand and I'm going to pick something with you. Did you know that
Taas kayo
here
kamay
in the
para matawag
Philippines,
kayo.
we have approximately 50,000 described species and half of it are endemic. Ready? Okay, but before that, I will be giving you something that you need to hold. Bottle for me. Don't drink it, okay? Just hold it. Alright, at you, Auntie Nicole, can you please wear these gloves on your left side? Okay, so now guys, are you ready? Okay, and since you're all ready, please welcome some of our endemic animal friends. Here are Zook and Kyle. Where are you guys? Oh, there you are. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, kids, just relax. And Ate Cassandra, you will hold it like a baby, okay? Come on. There you go. Face the audience. Okay, so now everybody, let's start on my left side. Here we have Kyle, our Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies of the crab-eating macaque, and they are locally known as maching or in general term, unggoy. They can be found in Southeast Asia and has a lifespan of approximately 30 years. While on my right side, we have Zook, our Philippine Scops owl. They are one of the largest in the Scops family. And don't you know that an owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendons? Okay, so Ate Cassandra, what can you say about Zook? Cute, yes he is. Okay, so how about you, Ate Nicole? What can you say about Zook? Cute also. Okay, so everybody, how about we round of applause for Zook and Kat, and of course to my Brave Kids volunteer. Alright, just relax. And kids, you will be receiving a bottle from Zubik Safari. Thank you so much. Okay, so now this time, please welcome back our charming umbrella cockatoo named Coco. Where are you, Coco? Okay, just wait for Coco. Alright. Welcome back, Coco. So by the way, guys, don't you know that umbrella cockatoo has a large white crest that they fan out like an umbrella when they want female adult volunteer. I need an adult. Yes, you ma'am, you're raising your hand. Okay, come on, join us here, please. Okay, can you ma'am just follow us? Turn around. One more time. Turn around. Wow, Mom Leia is such a great dancer, but we are not done yet. So now, Coco will show us his sweet personality by giving a kiss on his trainer's cheek. Okay, how about on the other side? That was sweet. And what? He's telling something? Coco, you want to kiss Mom Leia on her lips? Ma'am, would you give him a chance? Just one kiss on your lips. Okay, so now Mom, all you have to do is to stand here, bow your head, then pout your lips, okay? In the count of 1, 2, 3, come on now, bow your head, pout your lips. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That was so sweet. Alright. So Mom Leia, before you go, and Coco, how about a wave goodbye to everybody? Everybody say bye. Okay guys, how about we round of applause for Coco and of course to Mom Leia. And you sir wearing a red cap or maroon, come on. Join me please. Okay, come on guys. Okay ma'am, can you please stay on my right side? Okay sir, stay here. Okay, so hello guys, happy afternoon. What is your name sir? Romeo, am I right? Okay, how about you? Your name is? Rowena. Okay, everybody, let's give a round of applause for my volunteers here. Come on, guys, clap your hands. Okay, so now, Sir Romeo, since you're on my left side, please go to the black box. And you, Ma'am Rowena, please stay on the white box. Okay, so now, guys, we are going more fun and exciting, Sir Romeo, Ma'am Rowena, you are going to close your eyes first, okay? And I will be giving you a chance to touch and feel what is inside your chosen box, okay? Now ready? And touch it. Close your eyes first. Touch it. Come on. Come on, Ma'am Rowena. Just relax. Sir Romeo, close your eyes. Okay, so you may now open your eyes. Alright, so now guys, give me a thumbs up if you're ready. How about you, Ma'am Rowena? How about the audience? Are you guys ready? Okay, and since you're all ready, let's proceed to the black box. Okay, so Sir Romeo, before we open this box, do you have any idea what kind of animals inside?
Wala, pero meron parang may something na matutulis or matutulis.
Matutulis? Okay, so sir, are you ready? Ready? Okay, and since you're ready, everybody, please help me to count in 1, 2, 3. Let's open the black box. Oh, what's inside? Oh, it's Bella. Okay, now sir, all you have to do is to put your box up like this. And just relax. There you have it. Okay, so once again, everybody, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. They got their name bearded dragon because of the dust spikes that can be found under their chin. And don't you know that their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature? At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and develop as a female. Interesting, right? Okay, sir, what can you say about Bella?
Okay, nakaka-amaze. Ay, nakaka-shock kahit na.
Nakaka-amaze and calm. Okay, sir, thank you so much. But please stand by. We are not done yet. Okay, so now, let's proceed to the white box. Okay, hello, Ma'am Rowena. So just like Sir Romeo, before we open this box, do you have any idea what kind of animals inside? Just a guess.
Kasi may tusok-tusok siya.
Tusok-tusok din. Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, and since you're all ready, everybody, for the last time, help me to count. Make it louder in 1, 2, 3. Let's open the white box. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, ma'am, you're lucky. Come on, just relax, ma'am, because all animals that we bring out are tame, trained, and friendly. So, Ma'am Rowena, all you have to do is to put your thumbs up like this and just relax, okay? Don't worry, ma'am, you are safe with us. There you go. Just relax. Alright. So once again, everybody, this is Beanie, our ball python. The name ball python refers to its tendency to curl into a ball to protect their head with their bodies. They can grow up to 5 feet long and has a lifespan of approximately 20 years. Okay, Ma'am Rowena, what can you say about Beanie? Takot kayo, ma'am, but don't worry, ma'am. Billy is a friendly snake. Okay, ma'am, is this your first time holding an animal like this? And I think it's a great experience for you, right? A great experience, ma'am? Oh